Greetings from Dr. Judith A. Narona and the team from Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Today I am going to present the poster on Evidence and Gap Map Protocol, Effectiveness of Interventions to Reduce Environmental Air Pollution in Low and Middle Income Countries. So the team has worked on this particular aims, like developing a clear framework of various interventions to map the available systematic reviews and impact evaluations on the effectiveness of interventions, to provide database entries of included studies which summarize the intervention, context, study design and main findings, and to identify the evidence gaps. So we have planned to map the evidence to identify the gap, adopting a DPSEEA framework that involves the driving forces, the pressures, the state exposure, effect and action. And this is the framework that we have come out with. The EGM will also explore the main intervention and the subcategory interventions. All published study which are completed and ongoing from the year 2000. The EGM on environmental air pollution will have systematic reviews, randomized control designs, quasi-experimental designs, non-experimental designs. And we thought of including all age categories. And the interventions which we cover mainly include broad areas like the cities, transport, housing, industry, power generation, waste management and agriculture, which addresses the sustainable developmental goals for SDG 3, SDG 7 and SDG 11. And specifically it will also look into the ambient air quality, household fuel combustion, general indoor pollutants, biological indoor air pollutants. The outcome that we are looking is the main outcomes are the health impact, which has got short-term health impact and the long-term health impact which we have listed, and the economic impact again in terms of the cost effectiveness, cost benefit and disease burden, air quality impact in terms of the cook stove usage, air quality index and other parameters. So when we are writing up, we will summarize in terms of two primary dimensions, that is interventions and outcomes, and also additional dimensions like type of pollution, population, geographical location, systematic review quality and type of primary study. The EGM will report summary findings, the areas of strong evidence, gaps in the evidence, region-wise and dimension-wise descriptions, policy implications and plain language summary. Throughout this EGM development, we will take guidance from the advisory groups and stakeholders at every stage, and that is how we will be going to develop this particular evidence and gap map. Thank you.